Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys. Today we will take a look at the Great British Pound again, because we have talked a lot on the euro currency in the weekend and the weekly research, so nothing really new has happened on Monday, and euro currency is gravitating to the action to the downside. Now it's time to update our view on the Great British Pound. Previously in the weekly research we also have spoken a lot about our view that mostly it is bearish, and we expect in the medium-term perspective we expect downward continuation on the Great British Pound. Mostly this position stands on really big difference in the public opinion and expectation of the market, and real fundamental picture that now shows the United Kingdom economy. First of all, we have significant household debt, more than the 100% of gross domestic product, and in these circumstances it will be the suicide to rising rates inside the country. Second, the perspective for the inflation in the United Kingdom stands very low. Even the forward 5-year rate of the inflation doesn't suggest reaching of the 2% of the desirable inflation that could trigger the Bank of England to raise the rate. Second, or even third, there's really a lot of risks standing around the Brexit procedure, and so a lot of uncertainty with it. This overall situation creates such sort of the cluster of the problems. Also, numbers of the economy perspective in the globe and in general, in particular in the United Kingdom, also do not suggest some really revolutionary improvement. That's why mostly we have the bearish on the current situation. Last time when we have talked on the Great British Pound, we said that that was particularly on the Thursday when the Bank of England hasn't raised the rate. This was our bet, and this was just a perfect trade here. On the Friday, drop has continued. It was 2 weeks ago. And then market has reached very significant support there. We said, take a look. Market has completed 127 extension of this butterfly, has reached the daily oversold right at the fib support, and we said, well, this is Napoli bullish stretch, and even if do not take the stretch into consideration, this is a support cluster, and market should react on this support, and probably it will show some respect of this area and by some retracement. This retracement has started and has completed, as we think. So maybe it will be completed. The one thing that we said, that we do not want to see the big penetration back inside of this large triangle. We do not want to see the price will move too deep inside of it. We could accept some fluctuating and coiling around the lower border as it stands right now, but we do not want to get the deep penetration of this area. And right now market still holds with our expectation. That's very good for perspective of the downward continuation. Also guys, take a look at the larger picture. Unfortunately, we do not have yet any grabbers here. Market was really very close to form it, but we didn't get it. So just for a few pips, as this candle is that candle, haven't created the grabbers. But in general, the price action is very similar to the one when the grabbers are forming, and usually after such sort of action, if we suggest that these grabbers would be grabbers, it's very often after the drop, retracement appearing of the grabbers, the market usually continues move lower. That's very probable. But we have another tool here. Take a look at this candle. This is the high wave pattern that indicates some indecision or just some pause when the market takes the direction. Choose the direction, some pause and an action. As you can see right now, market stands below the lows of this high wave. that also increases the chance that market will continue move lower. Whether it will become the real continuation down or we will get some kind of the ABCD here to the upside, it's very difficult to say right now. But actually, guys, taking in consideration this really fast drop, this really miserable plunge on the butterfly, usually rules tells that if you see the fast acceleration right to the first target of the butterfly, usually market is continuing down to the next target after some pause. So chances of the continuation to the 1618 are greater with the butterfly that shows the fast acceleration to the first target. That's why, in general, the chances on the possible downward continuation are not small. The market will continue move lower on Great British Pound. On the intraday charts, guys, what we see, first of all, market has hit the 618 resistance of this recent thrust. Also, guys, probably here we could get another fib level if you will take as the reaction point as the focus number here. This reaction point to this focus number, you will probably could get also the 38 level here. Okay, so that probably even the confidence resistance. Trend on the 4-hour time frame chart has shifted bearish. Also, guys, take a look that market has retested this bottom of the butterfly. It's intermediate bottom, so retested and turned down. This really could be the sign that market really could turn down here. Now it stands around the weekly pivot point, and we should keep watching what will happen. Because here, as you can see, market is forming some kind of the round top pattern. That's usually a reversal patterns. After the round top has been formed, market could show some retracement. Some traders call it as the cup and the handle. The retracement calls as the handle. This is reverse cup. In the classical technical analysis, some traders call it as the cup pattern. It's round top or bottoms. This is usually reversal patterns. So let's keep watching on the hourly chart, guys. We see that round top is forming. Partially this was the butterfly pattern that has reached the 127 extension. Now keep watching on this levels. If upward retracement will be gradual and smooth, very slow, you probably could try to take the short position either here or here. But the one thing that we do not want to see is the fast acceleration up. If you will see it, it's fast, really skyrocket action. Of course, do not be short. But if market will show the gradual retracement, something on that sort, or here, you could try to take the short, because this is not contradictory possible downward continuation. Usually, when the round tops is forming, at the first stage, market shows this sloppy and choppy action. But as soon as market moving deeper to the downside, usually turns to the acceleration. That's as it's suggested by the classical development. So I hope that we will see it. So that's the moment that we will be keep an eye on. So probably you could try to take the retracement, use the retracement for taking the short here, and keep watching on what will happen. If we will get the acceleration lower, well, that will be very nice progress, and this increased chances that we will see the drop here down. Maybe right to the 1618 target, because right now, as you can see, market is not oversold anymore, and it really has this free space to the lower. This level already has been tested, so it will not be as strong as it was in the first touch. That's probably all that we could say right now on Great British Pound. Situation is also interesting, so let's see what will happen.